Hello, in this video we are going to see this problem of truss, analysis of truss with 4 elements using Ansys, and this might be our 7th video in this tutorial series of Ansys. So this is the question taken from FEA Ansys lab manual, and this is gonna be solved on Ansys 2019. So as we can see in this question, these two points are fully constrained, whereas this is constrained only in y direction. In x it is free to move. We have two forces, 2000 and 2500 acting on these nodes, and so let's begin. In Ansys I'll go for preferences, structural, and element type same as link 180, and material properties, for that I'll go for E is given as 210 GPa, so we'll take that 0.3 0.27. So everything I'm going to take in mm, 2.85 that will be. This one, sections, add link 1, okay 1, and this is gonna be 1e5. Area is given like that. Then after that I'm going to create nodes in active coordinate system. So according to this, node 1 and node 2 is at 4 meters. Active series. First one just like that. Second one is at 4 meters. Then the third one is at 4 meters in x direction and 3 meters in y direction. Then the fourth one is in 0 distance from x in x and 3000 distance in y direction positive. So in this way we have these 4 nodes from which I can create elements. Pick 2 and 3, apply 3 and 4, apply this and this, apply. Okay, so we have basically the structure that we have made. No need to mesh it because this is already a FEM model. If you would have created using key points and lines, only then you had to mesh it. So next I'll go for load, apply, structural, displacement on nodes. And since we know these left nodes 1 and 4 are totally constrained, so 1 and 4, apply, alt UF, okay. And this second node is constrained only in y direction, so on nodes, apply y, uncheck alt UF, okay. So there we have it. Now we are going to apply the forces. So on second we have 2000 in x direction and 2500 in minus y direction. So in x direction we have 2000 newtons, in y direction we have, in negative y direction we have 2500 newtons. So we have created our models, we have loaded it, we have specified the constraint. Now next we have to solve it. Solution is done, so no problem, no errors. And general post processing, we go to element table. Where is element table? Yeah, element table. We define the table, go down, take ls1, okay. And now for plotting the results, nodal solution, displacement vector sum, okay. So this is the amount of deformation that we are getting, maximum deformation. So this is the value over here. And the next, if you want to plot the element table, yes, average, okay. So this is your plot for element table. These two are the values. And next what we can do is, yeah, we need reaction solution. So we go for list results, reaction solution, all items, and we can basically save this. Plot results, counter plot, nodal. Okay, if you want to have the animation, go for animation, deformed shape. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be deformed, and this is the way you solve the problem in the latest version, in 2000 version of Ansys. Thank you.